welcome back to my channel, Glamour for Eyes, G4E. If you're new, definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So we are going to be talking to all the new glasses wearers out there. Welcome to the bad side. Welcome to the world of glasses. If you're new to wearing glasses, there are just a few important things that you may want to consider to ensure your eye health, and then just to make sure that your personal style can shine through. So in this video, we're going to explore different tips, essential tips for new glasses wearers. And yes, there are a few tips, things that you should know, maybe things that you didn't even think about. So we're going to delve into all of that. We're going to be focusing on good eye care practices and choosing frames that definitely reflect your awesome, unique personality. So let's get into it. So first and foremost, top of the list, proper eye care. Proper eye care is super important. It is crucial for all glass wearers or glasses wearers, but definitely new glasses wearers, because keeping your glasses clean is important. It helps you not only be able to see clearly, but it can also maintain the longevity of your lenses. So it's very, very important that you make sure you take proper care of your glasses. Now, what does that involve? What does it mean to take proper care of your glasses? Well, when it comes to your lenses, they can be very sensitive, especially depending on the type of lens that you have purchased for your glasses. But for one thing to remember is to use gentle lens cleaner and a microfiber cloth. And I do a separate video on what that looks like and what that means separately. But just a quick recap, you want to make sure you use a microfiber cloth. You want to make sure that you don't use any harsh chemicals on your glasses. You want to avoid scratching your lenses. You want to make sure that the cleanser that you use is given to you by your optometrist, or definitely make sure that it does not have grease or oil or lotions in your eyeglass cleanser. So those are just a few tips. Now, when it comes to considering the glasses that you're wearing, you want to make sure that they're comfortable for you. Okay. Make sure your glasses sit comfortably on your face. Make sure that, and I also do another video on this too. So if you miss anything, don't fret. I have all of the things, all of the information for glasses wearers, because that is just my niche. That is what we talk about here. But when choosing your glasses for you, you want to make sure they fit perfectly for you. You want to make sure that they are curved behind your ear the correct way. At that point, you want to make sure that there's no discomfort or anything. They fit comfortably. So one thing to remember, though, if at any time your glasses are not comfortable, if you experience any redness where your nose pads are, if you have glasses that contain nose pads, you definitely want to go back to your optometry office, your optician, or wherever you purchase those glasses to get those adjusted. So those are very, very important. We don't want you to feel uncomfortable. I guarantee you, though, if you come to Glamour for Eyes, you won't have those issues. But I digress. We'll talk about that later. Let's talk about how you, as a new glasses wearer, can choose your frames. Because honestly, let's face it, they are not just to, enhance your vision, but they're also supposed to reflect your personality. They're supposed to make you feel good. Feel comfortable, not uncomfortable. And you want to be able to embrace your fun side when you're wearing your glasses. So how can you select the right frames to just bring out your personality? What can you do? What can you consider? So I do talk about this in another video, but just for the sake of the 411 now, you also want to consider your face shape. So whether you have a round face shape, a square, a diamond shape, there are more face shapes, believe it or not. But you want to consider that when you're experimenting with glasses. And don't be afraid to experiment. Try on different ones, explore to see what glasses shape flatters your face, what you like. You know, it is okay because, you know, even though you're choosing glasses to see, you want to make sure you look good. You want to have fun with it. You want to bring out your personality. So when you do that, just, you know, have fun. You want to consider the color, right? Consider the color of the frames, consider the shape of the frames. You want to choose a color that complements your skin tone. You want to make sure that it complements your hair color. You know, you can opt, you know, for bold colors, statement making, big frames, a unique design, like the ones I have on. Like, who wears glasses like this? But it's in my personality. I love that. And these are called the Perfect Edge. And of course, you can get them from my website, glamourforeyes.com, where we carry a slew of different types of glasses because we believe that our customers, you should be able to choose frames that fit you. So whatever embellishments you like, whatever uniqueness in the arms of the frames, the frame itself, the boldness, the trendy styles, all of that. When you're choosing glasses as a new glasses wearer, you want to choose something that speaks to you. And I would also recommend getting more than one pair because sometimes it calls for different glasses for different occasions, right? And I'll be talking about that later. But this is the time to explore, get out of your comfort zone, see and dabble a little bit. Consider the temple design, right, of the frames. Consider, you know, the sleekness of the frames, the intricate decorations of the frames, all of that, whatever touch of flair that you may not even think about, you know, consider that when choosing your frames because they are a fashion statement. And who just wants to wear glasses just to be able to see? I mean, at the end of the day, if you're going to be blind in style. That is what I say. So I refuse to have this one look. And so as a new glasses wearer, I welcome you. Welcome to the dark side, the fun side. Definitely always prioritize good eye care habits. I will always stress that. But also get glasses that reflect your individuality, your personality, and your style. Don't be afraid to embrace the opportunity to make a statement in your eyewear, where you can see the world through a lens that truly represents who you are. And who are you? Let the world know who you are, what type of person you are through the glasses that you wear. And of course, there's more to be seen. That is just the tip of the iceberg, right? So remember, your glasses are more than just a vision aid. They are a reflection of who you are or who you want to be, who you want to become, or who you're going to become. So pick the frames that help you see the world glamorously. So if you like the glasses I'm wearing, you can definitely get them on my website, glamourforeyes.com. These are called the Perfect Edge. And if you like more vision tips like this, please subscribe. Comment below with your ideas and your thoughts. I read everything, and make sure you share as well. And of course, don't forget to put on your glasses and see the world glamorously. See you later.